Well on then. I just say you choose. For you, then you are gonna get your good and bad news. Everybody have to share them views. You have some cruel and you have some cool. But if you want the facts and truth, just link Bush a Bling and Moods YouTube. Add that massy, add that massy. Add that yassi, add that yassi. Remember tell you when we go on, you see me. You don't hear what me say, just hear when you're there. Add that massy, add that massy. Add that yassi, add that yassi. I bet you say you never know. Say there's so much things that go on out of road. Promoter box down man, say critics. People are switch vote, pay politics. Add that massy, add that massy.
That man say.
That man say, season 2,
Season 2nd.
episode 1.
Yep.
You
Number
that
one, you know?
Busha, so what going?
Yo, long time I come like me to see.
Yeah, that man say.
I see
We
you.
didn't even remember the last episode in season 1, but
Yeah, right.
this is season 2.
Yeah, we are in a new studio, so
Yeah.
something look like it a go on. The
Things
thing-
change.
Yeah, something a go on. Life happen.
Yeah, life.
And something a go on.
Life been happening.
Yep.
Yeah, me just say, yo, thank the subscribers and the fans them out there. Regular.
A regular, I get all heap of people that tell me, say, yo, what go on for the show, it done, what? No, our show can't done. Long as me and this man alive, that man say will be on.
Yeah.
See me?
Continues.
Yeah, I just that, the thing that, our thing that, but we just do together, I want to make sure I say it well.
Properly.
Yeah.
That me I say, yo, season 2, we had a good time in season 1, but season 1 was a little bit disjointed. Now we took a step back
Yeah.
from the platform just to observe what really going on. And I realized, and him agree, said a lot of people doing the same type of content
Yeah.
all the time.
And when we look on the vloggers them, from rapper to all of them,
Yeah.
are the same type of subject matter they talk about every day.
Yeah, we
right
not-
now, different level.
Yeah, we not knock them still, you know, big up all of the
Yeah.
vloggers, them want do them thing.
Yeah, really.
But we are trying to do something different.
Yeah, something more, what you call it, substantive,
Substantial.
substantial.
Yeah, something more
something
edifying, something more entertaining, something more informative.
Yeah.
Because certain things we're going to talk about, you probably know aware of them.
Yeah,
Because we're going to try to go out of our way for find things what we find interesting and we're going to share them with them.
Yeah, and a lot of you, if you don't have any feedback, so you can put it down in the comments below. You get me? Because really and truly, as I said from season 1, we're here for serve you better. So we are continuing that trend and build on it.
Yeah, basically, so I want to know in the first segment, I just want to talk to the people about what I've been up to since I've been away, since we've been away.
Yeah, alright.
Because, you know, my core function is a videographer,
Yeah.
right? So, I've been doing a lot of videos, I have so many projects that happened since the last time you guys saw me. So,
Yeah.
I'm just probably sure one and two of them now.
Yeah.
See the insert coming in and coming out. These are the female.
How's the money?
Yeah. Like projects that I've been working on.
Some of them did fortunate enough for them on the scene.
Yeah,
so-
behind the scenes
Yeah.
or beside the scenes.
Assisting on the scene.
Yes, the extra shot on the scenes
Yeah.
were taken by.
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah.
Nice. So, that master.
Make it compact and concise.
Add that massy, add that massy.